But first, the big story right now. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has just met the family of the 9-year-old scheduled caste girl who was raped and murdered in Delhi's cantonment area and whose body was then forcibly cremated by her attackers. Public fury has just exploded over the horrific incident. Outrage and protests are growing. It's the latest, in fact, to highlight the frighteningly high levels of sexual violence in the country, including in the national capital. There have been protests by civil society groups and activists, opposition leaders too, who've targeted Home Minister Amit Shah, to whom the Delhi police reports. Protesters have also been on the streets of Delhi holding banners asking for justice. The residents of Old Nangal, the village in the cantonment where the girl and her family lived, have been on protest since Sunday night. Now, Rahul Gandhi tweeted yesterday calling the young girl the nation's daughter, a pointed reference also to all the praise that's been showered on India's women Olympians. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has also been criticized for not speaking out against this atrocity. Now, Rahul Gandhi tweeted saying, "I'm with this family and this girl is like my sister." Let's listen in to what he had to say just a short while earlier.
मैंने परिवार से बात की और परिवार सिर्फ न्याय मांग रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं मांग रहे हैं, न्याय मांग रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि उन्हें न्याय नहीं मिल रहा है और उनकी पूरी मदद होनी चाहिए और वो हम करेंगे।
आप कैसे मदद करेंगे राहुल जी? आपने क्या मदद का भरोसा दिया है?
हाँ,
आपने क्या मदद का भरोसा दिया है?
मैंने ये कहा है कि मैं उनके साथ खड़ा हूं। जब तक उनको न्याय नहीं मिलेगा तब तक राहुल गांधी उनके साथ खड़ा है और 1 इंच पीछे नहीं हटने वाला है।
किसकी जिम्मेदारी मानते हैं सर इस घटना को लेकर? राजधानी की ये घटना है, किसकी जिम्मेदारी आप मानते हैं जिस तरीके से छोटी बच्ची के साथ बर्बरता हुई है?
देखिए, मैं सिर्फ ये जानता हूं कि मेरा काम उनकी मदद करने का। धन्यवाद,
शुक्रिया,
थैंक यू। हो गई।
Arvind joining us with the latest on that big story as protests and outrage grows over that alleged rape and murder and forcible cremation. Arvind, we saw several politicians visit Nangal yesterday and now Rahul Gandhi following suit. He was asked a very pointed question about who he was blaming or who he thought was responsible for this, and he chose to evade that by saying, "No, I've just come here to stand with the family." But clearly, there are those who are speaking out, demanding answers from the Delhi police and the Home Ministry that is in charge of them.
Yeah, Ankita, a Congress leader and also the former president of the party, Rahul Gandhi, short while ago met the family of the minor girl who was allegedly raped, murdered, and also cremated without the parents' consent in Delhi's Old Nangal crematorium. So Rahul Gandhi today morning went and met the family members, and after meeting them, he told media persons saying that he and his party will stand for justice of the family, and he also called that her as a daughter of the country. So what we are being told by our sources in the Congress party is that Congress will be taking up this issue in Parliament also today. They are saying that this is a continuous events that are happening, crimes against women, and it's going unabated. And what they are saying is that the Home Minister is directly responsible because the Delhi police, the law and order in the national capital comes directly under the domain of the Home Ministry. And that's why in Parliament they would be asking for a clear-cut answer from the Home Ministry. But because Rahul Gandhi wanted to meet the family members, so that's why it's not a political visit according to the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi wanted to meet the family and then give them the assurance saying that the party will stand with them to get justice in this case. And that's why he didn't make any political statement there. But the Congress party leaders are saying that in the Parliament they would be making sure that they would be seeking a responsibility from the Home Ministry, saying that because it's a law and order is under the domain of the Home Ministry, that's why they would be raising this issue in Parliament along with Pegasus issue. So the Congress party, not just here, the Congress party is also planning a protest in the national capital against this particular crime in front of the Delhi police headquarters, where the Youth Congress will be spearheading this protest. They are the planning ahead of it, but the Rahul Gandhi will be coming back to Parliament. He, along with other MPs, will be raising this issue in the Parliament also.
All right. So the Congress's MP who had visited the area yesterday had talked about wanting a discussion in the Rajya Sabha. The party now saying that it is going to raise the issue in Parliament as well. Clearly, this is one case that is not dying down. It's shocked and horrified people across the country in its brutality and the way in which a body was forcibly cremated without the sanction of the young girl's parents. The 9-year-old child had gone to fetch cold water from a cooler inside a crematorium, and that's where she was allegedly raped and then killed.